right, so we have the lawnmower here today. It's got a custom chrome paint job, gold aftermarket BBK wheels.
You taking a piss?
Curtis has a tiny dick with a weird big urethra.
You want to show? Big boy.
Alright, so if you come here, we have a muffler delete gun on it, so it's just completely straight piped out of the cylinder. And then on this side, we did a muffler delete, or an airbox delete. So the only way to run it is to choke it completely with a rag.
Alright, so the boys versus the fucking straight pipe lawnmower. Let's see how she goes, boys. There we go. Give her a yard, bud. Give her a yard. Give her a yard, bud. Give her a yard.
I'm gonna hide behind Josh as a meat shield.
Is there a blade on this thing still?
Will it run on octane boost? Here we'll find out.
Kids? Who are they?
I don't know. Rev her up. Pull the rag, Kurt. Sam, pull it. Hold her. It's farting blue, boys. It's farting blue. Keep her going. There you go. Pull it.
They won't say running, bro.
Yard her, Kurt. Oh, you idiot.
No.
You fucking
Idiot. I ran over the fucking
dude, the rag's chewed. It's chewed, ladies and gentlemen. Oh my god, why would you do that, Curtis?
I never.
Sam, put your hand over it. You don't need a
I
rag.
said I have some at the house, but we never fucking got it. Hang
Do
on.
we have a matro lighter that we can...
Oh.
Okay, you're flinging shit. Kurt.
She'll start. I can hear her. She's trying
I need to put a rag in. Just joking. Yeah, I can't believe I fucking did that. You ran it over.
Get her going, Kurt. Come on. No way! Look at these people, dude. There you go. Octane! Curtis, octane!
She's got more in her.
Plug her back with some more. Kurt, grab some more.
It's good.
Okay.
She'll go. She's fucking close.
Oh my god. That sounds like... Dude, something's sparking. It's sparking.
Just that.
Oh wait, never mind. It was just that. Okay.
got more stuff to mow.
Just making a fucking mess.
She's at the old diesel engine. She's gonna go though. She'll go. Oh, it's on fire!
Jeff, you haven't...
Poor health, y'all.
Just plug it up with this.
Stuff it. Get some more. Sam. Grab a huge chunk.
I got it. It's good.
Kurt, use all this.
Record it.
It's already recorded.
I got it. It's good.
Plug it. She's not doing good, boys. Oh! barely alive, ladies and gentlemen. No, it dies every time you pull the plug. Keep it choked.
Oh.
Dude, it's spewing black. It's spewing black.
It's oil. Oh,
Jesus.
it's being starved. Oh, okay.
Plug her, Sam, plug her. Oh, never mind. Give her a reef. Oh, ow! Hold it. Oh, fuck, we gotta plug it better. Plug it. Plug it better, boys.
Let it fucking fire up.
Oh, shit. Put some paper in the gas tank, too. Save every match. If something like that happens, I think you see green on blowout. Okay, how much oil had to It's oil, but it's going to How are we doing? Plug it, let's go. Come on, we're on 8 minutes, boys. We don't got much. We're like 4 minutes before, let's go. Lock it, wrap. Ready, bud? Ready, Kurt? There you go. Someone's there. She wants to eat, Kurt. Let her eat. Oh, my God. She wants to eat. Don't worry about it. I got an idea. How are we going to piece of paper we lay on fire and drop it in the gas tank? We got to blow up. Yeah, the blade wrapped and shit? Flip it over. Flip it over. She's going right now.
Oh! Keep it going. Keep reefing it. Reef it. Keep reefing it while she's warm. She gotta
Hold that.
She gotta burn all that oil. Come on. Get a little spark going and she'll be cooking. Jeff, tap in, man. Jeff, take the camera.
The issue might be it doesn't have any oil left. We should put some power steering fluid into the oil or something. Yeah.
Power steering fluid into the oil.
Oh my God, it wants to. Jeff, it doesn't need oil.
Kurt, flip it over. Let's take a look at the blade.
I'm only gonna do that.
Tipper.
I want to fucking.
Yeah, it's wrapped up.
Yeah?
It's tangled with the cloth.
That's fine.
Take it over, we're good. Ready, bud? Dude, it's literally puking oil, dude. It's probably soap. Look at this. It's drenched. How much oil it's spewing? How much fucking oil it needs? Oh! Fuel's coming out there! Keep going, Jeff! Keep going! Sure, just happened, Jeff. Take this salt out of here, bud. Okay, I'm holding some of this vacuum. Go, do it. Come on, Mower! Jeff, what are you gonna do, man? Oh my God! Ooh! Hey, get away from me! Oh my! Holy shit! I don't know.
Oh! Oh!
Hold on, Sam. Hold on. Calm down. Okay, go ahead.
Yeah.
Come on, fucking energy.
Jeff, jump in.
Just put a little bit of cloth.
Try to push the thing closed.
There you go. It's closed.
Yeah.
Go for it.
Watch it move.
Yeah, it's
As soon
okay.
as it starts to wrap.
That's what I'm thinking.
Give me another. Okay. Oh.
Whoa!
It's almost there. It's spitting air.
Come on, right now. She's going.
Hurry up.
2 hands on the pole. 2 hands on the pole.
2 hands on the pole, Sam. He's got it. We're gonna break the cord, man. I say we grenade it and just light it on fire at this point. Curtis,
Only if you have a match.
do you have a match or a lighter?
No.
Do you have a lighter even?
No.
Come on, boys.
Oh, it's steamed a little bit. Okay, watch
Okay,
out.
fire up, Sam. Fire up.
Now give it a shot. Get her the fuck going, Sam!
Oh yeah! Yeah, we go! Keep it up!
tore up the road.
What if we just put the rest of this in the fuel tank?
Do it.
Hang on, stop.
Probably needs more.
Well, it needed it in the intake.
It's gotta be something left here.
Oh yeah.
Just all fucking
We
octane
might-
booster in there.
We might have to go back up to the gas station up the road and buy some more stuff to finish this thing off properly.
This fucking video here come back.
Get a lighter maybe. Maybe a set of matches.
Is that an undercover?
Probably. It's Chrysler 200.
Is it?
Chrysler 200.
I doubt it. Fucking doubt
Is this illegal what we're doing? I don't think so.
it. This isn't a public road.
Okay, give her Sam.
It was shooting flames, right?
Yeah, oh yeah. Hang on, let me choke it.
Yeah, maybe it needs to be
Let's
choked.
get some of that fuel in there.
Yeah. Oh,
Okay, give her, bud. Let it eat.
choke.
I'm so fucking dead, dude. Okay. Jeff, I'll push for you. 2 hands on that. 2 hands on the pole. 2 hands on the pole. Just spin some fucking smoke on the side.
Should have poured it in the intake.
Switch positions. Switch that. I can hear.
It is
Oh my
dumping.
God,
Dumping oil.
Push it. Oh my. Need to mask it up again.
Jesus Christ.
Ready? 3, 2, 1. Hold it. Okay.
Keep going. Keep going. Oh, come on. Ah.
Can you hurry up? Who let the fucking handicap use that?
Yeah, see, it's safe. It's safe. Not flammable.
What a fucking dummy. We got a nice little barrier here. It's gonna protect us from the explosion. We got 10%. Hurry the fuck up and try to start this thing, boys.
Okay.
Why are we dicking around? Sam, get over there. Hurry up.
That'll definitely
Oh.
What? Where did the thing go?
What thing?
Ow! Fuck! Someone else gotta do it.
Like, there's a lot of WD-40 in the intake.
Jeff, start spraying WD in there.
Someone should.
Can we drop it?
I don't want to flutter you. Here, Curtis, you keep going.
I'm flooding it. Go.
Hold it down.
Shit coming out.
Can we light a match and stuff it in that hole where all the oil is? I don't see this happening, boys.
Oh, I want it. Let it eat, bud. That sounds terrible.
Yeah, get it.
Get her, keep going. Pull. We're recording. You keep her going.
Okay, hold up. Sam, watch out.
It's so flooded.
Is it choke? Choke it again.
Hurry up.
Dripping out, man. Holy fuck.
It's a one-way cylinder, alright? You ready? Watch out.
Flooded. It's not gonna start. The spark plug's probably fucking soaked, man. Oh! Thumbnail instantly. Get it, run it over. No, you're killing it. Plug it, Sam. Plug it. Plug it. Don't spray more in there.
Leave it in next time. Leave it in.
Oh.
Oh, it's.
Plug it. Leave it in. Leave it in. Plug it. Plug it again, Sam. Plug it. Oh. Run it over. Grenade. Grenade. I'm backing up. Don't aim that shit at me, bro. Oh! Oh! Could you see that, dude? There was a ring.
Do that. Don't wait until it dies. How did I keep running? Oh, it was one.
Plug it again, plug it again, plug it again.
Wrong side, you fucking moron! I like it, Jeff.
Sam, look out. Hold on, hold on.
Oh, wait, stop.
Watch out, watch out.
Let's have it.
It wants it. Sounds like a bubble maker.
Oh. Let it fully self-destruct.
Oh. Keep going. Rev it. Get more. Use your fingers. Oh, it's split flames! It's not flames! Dude, it's spitting flames! Oh, get up! Dude, it's spitting flames! Dude, it's cooking! Run it over, Curtis! Oh!
Here we go, she's set.
Rip her up, plug her again, Sam, plug her! Oh! Oh, rip her up! Oh, fuck! Oh! Eat it, bud, eat it! Curtis! Eat it! Back up! Let it eat, bud! Oh!
I got scared.
Start it up with that!
Not on that. Watch out!
Let her eat! Let her eat!
What the fuck is that? Bottle stuck. Someone get it. Someone get the bottle out. I'm not gonna pull it, I promise.
Pull, it's right there. It's right there. You're fucking touching it, bud. Pull it.
Get it.
Give her, bud. Rip her. Woo! She's running hard now. More. Let it eat. Just hold it. Ah! Sam, hold it in. Okay, you're gonna kill it. Leave it. Run it over, sir. Okay, someone drop a match in it. Wide open throttle. Oh! That was a massive flame! It just spotted a huge flame. Oh!
No, you want to shoot a massive flame? Let it die? Hold on.
Can we light it?
Fucking get her cooking.
We're gonna run out of storage.
Oh,
shit!
Easy.
Oh
Good
my
job, bro.
god, what are you doing?
Okay, Jess.
Okay, rev her up!
Right, rev it up.
Oh! That's a good idea. That's a horrible idea. What are you doing, Sam?
Other side.
Wide open! Ow! Kurt! It's just vaporing again. Run it over!
Put it in the exhaust side. Oh, anyway,
Kill it, fucking kill it. Can we drop a match in the gas tank, please? I want to see it blow.
oh!
It's gonna blow. Are we taking it with us then?
She's fucking full, Kurt.
She's fucking Larry butt!
Give it to her. Woo! Oh!
Wait, I got an idea. Hold on.
Putting in the.
Oh, yeah! Shake that
You have gas? You have gas?
I do.
Put some gas in there. I'm dropping a match in there, boys. I don't
No,
know.
you're not dropping any
I don't wanna
matches
blow
near
up
this fucking thing.
That's good. Fire up, bud.
Low battery, we got 5%, boys, 5%! Oh! Oh, it's starting to catch! Dude, I can see fucking fire! Boys! What? I can't see it! Jesus, Murphy!
No, Sam, you killed it. Fucking hell, boys.
Can we please,
Curtis, you know how to
boys? We're gonna get a fucking complaint. We need to go.
I know.
Let's blow it,
We have one more try here.
No,
Curtis.
Kurt, you have gas?
Curtis. If
I'm
we
not
don't,
pulling it out.
Pull gas in the car.
oh, I tried. I don't know if I got it. Oh!
Run it.
Full throttle, bud. Full throttle. boys.
No, boys.
Back up and get a whole view of this thing, and then send it to me. There you go. Send it to me in like gallery form, though. You know what I mean? Like from the camera roll. Don't get Curtis's cock in the video. He's taking a piss.
Oh, good.
Hey!
I'm fucking dumb piss on your head.
Ooh. Just start shaking the fuck out of it.
Careful, you don't get fire on you. Jeff, careful.
Whoa! Whoa! Oh.
Uh-oh.
Back up. It's just hot oil.
Kurt, go over here. Go over here. Get a whole line of the flames. I'm gonna push it through. We'll get a slow-mo for the ghost mower.
Ghost mower.
There's so much. Don't light this shit on fire. No, back up. We have our pile over there. Oh my, it's just dripping. Dude, I'm so not worried about this at this point. You can just shake it up and shit. It doesn't matter. Back in. No, don't. Jump in.
The trick is up as hard as you can and then fucking whip it.
Careful, it doesn't come back.
It's good. It's good. Whoa.